Number 4. Do you think Ronaldo will make more or less than 15 assists in 15 games? So I know in one game he made an average of 0.8 assists. So I estimate it will be less than 15 because it's really important. I have to give my reason. Because I know that when you multiply a decimal by something, your answer gets smaller. You could also say that you know that he's making less than 1 assist every game, so at the end of 15 games, he'll have less than 15 goals. Okay. And then we actually have to solve it. So we actually have to say, okay, let's check our answer and see if we're correct. So we say 0.8 times 15 equals what? So there's a couple of different ways to do this. If you're comfortable multiplying 8 by 15 in your head, you could use a moving decimal trick. I'm not, so I'm going to use the box method. Wow, that's a weird looking number 15. Let's try that again. All right, so I'm going to make my boxes. So for 15, I'll put that on top. So it's a 10 and a 5, because remember, each number place gets its own box. And for this one, I just have 8/10 because I don't have any other number place here except the 0, which I'm just going to ignore. So first I'll say 10 times 0.8. And I know that 10 times 8 is 8 wholes, because 8/10, 10 times, is 8 wholes. You can use your moving decimal trick to check that. And then 8/10 times 5. So I know, 5 times 8 is 40. I'll use my moving decimal trick. So 5 times 8 is 40. And I move the decimal forward 1 time, so I have to move it back 1 time. So that means my answer is 4.0, or 4. So now I add up the answers for my boxes, and I say 8 plus 4 equals 12. So I'll put my work on my test. Oops, that's not my test. I'll put my work on my test. And there's 12.